Starting audio recording.
Alright, so the first time I recorded it, I didn't record it with the sound on. You have to touch the side of the BlackVue device. It records automatically, but sometimes sound is not being recorded, I guess, to save space on the SD card. But this is upside down, so I'm going to flip it around just because it's in my car. It's a button you push on the front of it that lets you rotate it, but obviously you have to go in and edit it to flip it. You can flip it right now, I don't know how, but this is my first video of showing the BlackVue and seeing the quality of it. It's just the 4K UHD version, so just checking the quality and the sound. I don't know if that music was too loud or not, but yeah, it's worked out pretty good for me so far. Front and back camera, so the back camera does not rotate, but I mean it's in the back. Front one for the back, so it comes with two cameras as well. One channel is just for the front. There's not just a single rear camera unless you call them. But I don't. Well, it records on its own, but I've downloaded a few videos to my phone so I can view when I'm not in my car or not on use Wi-Fi, which you have to be on the camera's Wi-Fi to download the videos. Another way is to possibly go on the site itself and put in your camera's info. I haven't done that yet. I like doing everything mobile, so this is all done from my phone. You just hook up, like I said before, you hook up to connect to the BlackVue's Wi-Fi signal, and that's how you get to download the videos you want to download in case of an accident, in case of damage, to take the cord, or to show your insurance company. It's pretty quick as well. They download pretty quick. I want to say maybe 30 seconds after something's happened, you will have a video file of that. So like if you turn your car on and drive down the street, it will record everything. But if you want to turn your car on, go down the street, turn around, come back, and then go to look it up, it may have to where it may have saved a file already to when you turn your car on and drove out of your driveway. Once you get back, let it finish downloading the videos that's recorded to its memory. You will then be able to see your full drive, so there's no lag in that sense. As far as theft goes, I obviously don't know how that works yet, but hopefully there's another way to locate your BlackVue device, because if your car is stolen, you can't get on the Wi-Fi to see where it's at, obviously. So I'm gonna look more into that with doing the laptop version, or laptop version, to see if you can locate your car even as the video camera's off, if it does like last location type deal, or how you would actually locate your car in case it was stolen, which is one of the main reasons I got this car, or got this BlackVue Dashcam. The 2-channel is just because I had a few buddies that got rear-ended and they didn't have any evidence of the other car. So of course in Georgia you have a uninsured motorist, but you still pay $500 deductible, or $125, whatever your insurance premium is, or $1,000. I mean, I get it, whatever. But with the dash cam, you'll be able to get that on camera, which is why I got the car, for those two reasons. To get to my car, settings it or whatever. I'm guessing from the side, I'm kind of stuck with that just because
parking mode on.
The side view, but it has up to 145 degrees in the front, and I want to say almost 180 on the back camera, just because of how it's set up. It's I guess a bigger surface to be able to record. But yeah, so this is my first review of my BlackVue 2-channel dash cam. Like I said, I got the more expensive one. There's a $500 version and a $300 version, and the $500 is the SD card, that's 128 gigs, and the 300 2-channel BlackVue is, so I'm pretty sure it does 5 days, for the 128 and 3 days of loop recording for the 32. Meaning, if something happens to your car within 3 days, or let's just say, just be safe about it. Let's just say 60 hours. You can go back and find that file to when something may have happened or the camera may have caught it. So it gives you a little bit of leeway to get it, but if you don't catch it in time, it will record over the older files. So that's my take on the BlackVue Dashcam, and I'll be doing more updates in the future. So later.